Well, I was finding it more difficult each time I wanted to take a shower, because I'm a shower person, always have been. And I found it more and more difficult because I had to get into my tub with my left leg first in order to sit on my chair in there. And lifting that leg up it was becoming an impossibility, let me put it that way. So, yeah, I started thinking about that, and we kept hearing commercials, about the tub and all this stuff. So I don't know exactly how we met Jose. Anyway, he came out to the house. He's a delightful gentleman, and we enjoyed talking to him. And he was very good about explaining everything about the tub and how it worked, and we got a very good idea of what we were buying. And so it worked out quite well. They did their job very neatly. They didn't leave any kind of dirt around or anything. It was very well done, and I'm very satisfied with it.